Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Junior here, bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we go live or drop a great new video, guys, because trust me, you guys are not gonna wanna miss out. And also don't forget to like on my video, share my video, and comment on my video because that does help the channel out a little bit, and I hope you guys can do that for me. Appreciate it very much. But anyway, today I do want to talk about a great product that was sent to me. Is this great selfie stick right here. It's called the Vimitty Professional Magnetic Selfie Tripod. So basically it's a tripod all-in-one, and it's a selfie stick because the bottom collapses. And if you're an iPhone user, which I'm not, but if you guys know, the iPhones do have a magnet on the back of their phones. You don't see it from outside, but it's built inside the phone. And you could just connect it, you can magnetize it to any magnet mounts and it'll clip. This has a magnetic mount on the top, so you don't have to worry about adjusting the straps on the tripod and everything and making sure it's tight. It's all connected by magnetic strips. I do have a magnet behind my phone, and I'm gonna do it on here so you guys can see it does work. But this is the box it comes in, very simple. As you can see, it shows you how big it goes and how short it goes. It is 302 millimeters when it's down and 1650 millimeters when it's completely far apart. And then here's more specs on here. It's easy to adjust because it's all magnetic and very adjustable. It has a carbon fiber finish. And if you like to take pictures from afar and you need to have a timer or anything, you don't need a timer with this because it does come with a remote control right here, wireless remote, which is magnetic to the bottom of this, where you could go ahead and take it off and use it to take pictures. So if you don't have to sit there and wait for time. All right guys, 10 seconds timer. You don't have to do all that. So this is awesome. I think it's very good. The price for this one, it is $29.99. And they have a classic version, but I think it does not have the magnetic one on the top, which is $19.99. But me personally, I like the magnetic one because it just makes life a lot easier. In my personal opinion, you guys could think differently, but me, I think this is a lot better option with the magnetic because it's very easy to use. Again, magnet, put on, put off, take it off. You don't have to adjust anything. The only time you ever have to adjust anything on here is the height and the angle of how you want the camera to be facing. That's it. But we're gonna take a look at it already. As you see, we took a look at it, the whole box around. Pretty cool. I will show you how far I stretch it out in real time. Like I'll stretch it out like this and see how it is. I'll put it next to me. Remember, I'm 6 feet tall, so you're gonna see how high it is. All right, and so we're gonna go and open this up. So we can go ahead and check it out because I think it's an awesome product. I know a lot of people don't use selfie stickers often, but I know in my family and friends, at least we still sometimes need it. It's not very much as popular as it used to be, but at times it's still needed. And since this is so compact, it's easy to travel, so you don't have to carry this big old stick around all the time. To me, it's very convenient to have around. You put it in your pocket, and if you need to use it, take it when you take trips, when you go to events, you can take it with you in case you need. You pop it out, stretch it out, and use it. Simple. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out. We opened it on the top. So the packaging to me so far looks good. It's all well packaged. Oop, there goes the wire. All right, so if your phone doesn't have a magnetic strips, they do provide you with a magnetic metal so you can paste in the back of your phone. So in case you don't have one, there you guys go. You got this right here. So all my Android users that don't have the magnetic strip, there you guys go. I already have a magnet on mine, so I don't have to worry about it. That's why I'm gonna still show you, but I'm not gonna use this. They have a USB cable here. I believe this is to charge the remote if needed, right there. Put it right there. And if you look on down here, it comes with the manual, very simple instructions. Right there, how to connect the remote, the wireless remote, how the magnet works here. Pretty cool, very simple, it's not that much to read, very easy to use. This is all it is right here. A one-page fold instructions, simple as that. And they got all their social media accounts there if you want to follow them and take a look at the product. They got an Instagram channel, they got a Facebook channel page, and they got a YouTube channel. Simple as that, guys. And really, if you want to download the instructions, they provide a QR code right here. I don't know if you can see it. because my light is not helping me right here. Okay, see the QR code right there? You scan the QR code there, and you can download the instructions into your phone if you want to do it that way. But all right, let's pull this out. Okay, there's nothing else in the box, and I got the stick right here. As you see, it's very compact. This is the whole size of it. This is just the plastic covering, and it's well protected with this nice little cover here. Put this aside. So I'm gonna pull it out so you guys can see the whole variety of this. All right, as you can see, it's very compact. You can't really tell what this is right off the rip. So like I said, this is the magnetic strip here. And then you can adjust it any way you want. You're up, down. And basically, this is a whole magnet right here. Let me see if my phone will grab it, because I do have a magnet thing on the back of this phone. And you put it right here. And that's all it is, got right there. You just put it there. And you could, I'm gonna put it down, look, and it's pretty strong. I'm putting it upside down. I just put my hand here just to be sure it doesn't fall down. And you can move it out and adjust it if you want to put it sideways. There you guys go. You can put it horizontal or vertical. Boom, guys, look at that. How awesome is that? And I didn't have to sit there and try to adjust the mechanism back here to try to adjust the phone how it's supposed to go. Look how easy this is. That's what I like about the magnets. All right, so, and like I mentioned, I'm put the phone away real quick. I don't need it right now. And you can adjust this any way you want. So if you want to do overhead shot and put this on the ground, you can put the phone here face down and do whatever you want to do down here. You could put it straight, and you can tilt it up and tilt it down, which is pretty cool. I think that's awesome. And like I mentioned, right here is the remote. You can pop this out. Simple as that. And that's what the USB cable is for, because right there's a USB port to charge it, as you see. And you connect this to your phone by Bluetooth. So basically, all you do is have a button right here, and basically when you're ready to take a picture, like, all right guys, cheese, click on it. That's all you gotta do is click on it, and you're all set. And then you put it back. Once you're done, it's magnetic. So you can put it there, boom, done. All right, and then on the bottom, guys, the legs open up. I'm gonna see how this opens up. All right, opens up like this. You can open up in sections. You could either put it all the way down like this and get the best out of it like this for the most comfort, or you could put it down like this. So if you have a smaller area on the table or anything, you could put it smaller or even smaller like this. But there's a button at the bottom that you adjust it. So you push the button and you adjust it any way you want. So you want to put it for more support, fully flat like that. There you guys go. But if you want a couple inches a little higher, then you want to just lower this down, and you can leave it like this. It's not as much support as fully flat, but it still gives you support. Give you a few more inches to put it higher if you need to put it higher. And then basically you stretch it out completely like this, and then you just lock it in. I'm gonna put it all the way down, and I'm gonna stretch this all the way out to the max. This is the max. I'm trying to get it all in frame. So I got the camera here, and I got the end of the thing here. So you see how far it is. I'm almost stretching my whole hands out. So if you turn this into a selfie stick, let me put this down. I don't want to hit anything on my ceiling. All right, there you go. So you do this as a selfie stick. This is the complete length of it. So I'm gonna put this straight. This is the complete length of it, so you can see it all in frame. Now, if we're gonna use this as a tripod, we're gonna go ahead and stretch this all out again and put it on the floor. Right now it's on the floor. Remember, I said I was 6 feet tall. It's just shy short of 6 feet, guys. So I'm assuming with this much, it's about 3 or 4 inches. So I'll say this goes up to about 5 feet, 8 inches to 10 inches. So you got a good little size there. So you can take great pictures with this tripod. And let me put my phone on gear there again so you can see if it supports it. Oh, there you go. I just had to put it on there. Look at that, guys. It doesn't move, it supports it. And if I want to put a landscape, all right, I just had to grab it on the magnet. There you guys go. Simple as that, guys. Look at that. Look how awesome that is. Cool device. I highly recommend this. This is very affordable in my personal opinion. For $30, it's not bad at all. And then you can adjust the height any way you want. And when you're ready to put it away, you just close it all up, put it away, and put it in your pocket if you want to keep it in your pocket. And it fits perfect in my pocket at least. You can't even see it coming out of my pocket here, but if I pull it out right now, there you go. Simple as that. How easy that is, guys. Simple. You keep this in your backpack, wherever you want to keep it. It's very, very portable, guys. I will leave a link down below if you guys want to get and purchase this. You can purchase it on your own. If not, that's okay. But I wanted to present this to you guys so you guys can check it out. It's a great product to have. And remember, this is the Vimitty Professional Magnet Selfie Tripod. I'll leave a link in all the descriptions down below so you guys can get it if you want. And awesome, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you today. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all of the support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel. So now they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below. I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you'll never ever want to miss out. And until next time, guys, I am out of here. Peace.